Hi, in this video, I would like to discuss about SUMIFS function. SUMIFS function is very powerful function if you have more than one condition and you want to take sum on the basis of multiple conditions. So here you can see the definition part. SUMIFS adds the value from the range on the basis of given set of condition. Set of condition means more than one condition or criteria, such as you can see here how we can apply the SUMIFS function. In SUMIFS function, you have to pass first parameter is sum range. Second criteria, you have to take second parameter, you have to take criteria range 1 and criteria 1 is a third parameter. Fourth parameter is criteria range 2, then criteria 2 is a fifth parameter. So this is the way to apply the SUMIFS function. Okay, so let's see the practical things, how we can do it practically. So here, so see the model. So here, reason is a column and on the basis of different product category. This is a name of the product category. So on the basis of this region and product category, you have to calculate the sales value. So how we can calculate the sales value? So you need to apply here equal to SUMIFS. Why I'm applying here SUMIFS? Because in this data set, we have two conditions. My first condition is region. Second condition is product category. That's why I'm applying here SUMIFS. Your first parameter is sum range. So you have to go there and take complete range of sales. Why? Because I have to calculate the sales. So you have to take complete range of sales. Phrased it, comma. Second parameter is criteria range 1. So what is your first condition? If I talk about the first condition. So you can take first condition as a region. So you have to go there and take complete range of region from n column. So this is the region column. Reached it, comma. Then you have to go there and take condition as a region. If I'm taking a region as a first criteria range, then criteria should be region, comma, second criteria range. So my second criteria is product category. So you have to go there and take complete range of product category as a criteria range. So go to P column and take complete range of product category, freeze it, comma, then you have to go there and take criteria as a product category name. And here you need to freeze only row, not column, because column B has office supply, column C has technology, column D has furniture, but row 5 is fixed in each condition. So you have to freeze here row through the F4 2 times. Now bracket close, then enter. So see here, you are getting sales of office supplies. Now drag in right side, you will get here. Why I'm getting 0? So let's see. Here I have taken the sum range. Here I have taken the criteria range. But you know what is this? This is the criteria range. Criteria. So my criteria is moving in right side. That's why I'm not getting value into this 2 column. So you need to freeze here column, then enter. Now you will get correct data. Control R, Control D. See here, you are getting data for all 3 product categories. Okay. So this is the first example. Now I'll let you know little bit advanced example of some ifs. So here I'm taking second example of some ifs. So here what I have to do? Here I need to calculate the profit on the basis of two conditions, same two conditions, region and product category. But here I have calculated the sales, but here I will calculate the profit. So this is the difference between these data sets and this data set. So here I would like to let you know how we can apply the condition through the SUMIFS function. I have already told you. So here I will calculate the profit. So you have to go there and take complete sum range. So this is the sum range. So you have to go there and take profit as a sum range because you need to calculate the profit. So that's why I'm taking here complete range of profit. Freeze date, comma, then criteria range 1. My first criteria is region. So you have to take complete range of region, freeze date, comma, then you have to go there and take region as a criteria and make sure you have to freeze here column. Column A is fixed in this list, but row is different. So you have to freeze here column, not row, comma. Second condition is product category. So you have to go to data sets and take complete range of product category from P column. Freeze it, comma, then you have to go there and take product category and then you have to freeze here row, bracket close, enter. So see here you are getting profit. So here I'm getting profit value. But in Nunavut region, office supplies has loss because this is the minus value. Minus value means loss. Okay. In office supplies in Nunavut region, we have loss. So here is loss also. Okay. So this is the way to calculate the profit. Now I will move on advanced part. Suppose in same area, I want to calculate the profit and loss both. If I calculate here profit, if I put here profit and loss drop down list. So what you have to do? You need to create a drop down list through the data validation. Go to data and go to data validation. And here you need to take data validation. And here I will take list. So here I'm taking list. And here I need to write profit, comma, loss. Okay. Click on OK. Now in this drop down, you are getting two values, profit and loss. So how we can calculate profit and loss on the basis of this drop down value? So let's see. I want to calculate here actual profit. So this is the actual profit. Here I'm getting loss, but in other regions and other product category, I'm getting profit. But loss means everywhere should be less than zero value. Less than zero value means minus value. So how we can apply the condition on the basis of this drop down list? So here I'm just decorating background color. So here I'm taking this drop down list and decorated. Control B for bold letter. And here I have selected the profit. Now I need to apply condition. So here I'm just removing it. I will apply from scratch. So here I need to apply if. If is a logical operator. So in if, your first parameter is logical test. In which cell you have to apply the logical test? In this cell, you have to select it and freeze it equal to, you need to write here profit. If my selection is profit in this cell, then I need to apply here some ifs function, and here you need to take some range as a profit. You have to go there and take complete range of profit from I column. freezed it, okay, comma, then your first condition, criteria range 1. Your first criteria range is region, so you have to take complete range of region, freezed it, comma, your condition is region from this tab. So here I need to take reference of Nunavut and freezed here column. Why I'm freezing here column? These all list of the region is available in a column, but row is moving. So that's why I have freezed here column only, not row. Comma, criteria range 2. Criteria range 2 means here is my criteria range 2. Criteria range 2 is product category. This is a list of product category. My list of product category is moving in right side. Right side movement means my column is moving, row is freezed here. So make sure you have to freeze here row whenever I will take reference of this criteria. So first I have to take criteria range 2. So you have to move on data sets and take criteria range from P column. P column has product category, freezed it, comma, then you have to go there and take product category as a second criteria. Freezed here, column, row, sorry, and bracket close and bracket close again for if, okay, then enter. So here I'm getting same value as previous function. So here I'm getting same value, but in case I try to select here loss, you will get false because I have not applied any condition for loss. Here I have applied the condition for profit. If my selection will be profit here, then this function will work. Okay, but in case I'm selecting here loss, I have not applied any function for loss. Suppose this is the case of true. If I'm selecting profit, then my condition is true. If I'm selecting here profit, then my case will be true and I will apply this function to calculate the profit. But in case I'm selecting any other things into this drop down list, I want to take here 0 or blank. So here I am taking 0 and enter. Sorry, I need to remove last bracket, then enter. See here I'm getting 0 instead of false. So if I'm selecting here profit, then I will get data. If I'm selecting here loss, I will get 0. Because in false case means if I'm selecting here loss, my condition is false. This is a function for true condition. But 0 is for loss. In if, we have to pass 3 parameters. First is logical test. This is a logical test. If my logical test is true, then this function will work. This function will work. If my logical test will be false, then this value I will get as a output. Okay, so as of now I'm selecting here loss, so my condition is false in if condition. Okay, so that's why I'm getting 0, but I don't want to get here 0. I want to take output as a loss. As a loss means here I need to apply some ifs function again, and here I will take some range, so you have to go there and take complete range of profit from I column. Freezed it, comma, then your first condition is region. So I'm taking here complete range of region. I'm just expanding the formula bar to view all the formula. Now what I have to do here, I need to take comma. After taking complete region, then I have to take comma and I need to take criteria for region. So here I'm taking criteria as a Nunavut, and here I need to freeze only column, not row, comma. My second condition is product category. So this is my second condition. So you need to apply here here I need to take second condition as a second criteria range as a product category. So you have to go there in P column and take product category as a second criteria range, comma, then you have to take criteria as a product category. So here I will take reference of product category. So this is the product category. Freeze here row. Row 19 is freeze for all three product category, but column is B, C, D. Column is different. So that's why I'm freezing here row, not column. Then enter. Now you will get calculation, but here I'm getting same result for loss and profit. See here, result is not changing. Why? For loss, I need to apply one more condition with SUMIFS. So my last condition will be profit value less than 0. This is the last condition to calculate the loss. So this condition will impact your result. My all result will be in minus, then I will get the loss value. So you have to go there in data sets and take complete range of profit as a third criteria range. Profit column is third criteria range I have taken, and comma and inverted comma less than 0. Less than 0 is a loss. Bracket close twice and enter. Now you can see here everywhere you will get minus value for loss. If I'm selecting here profit from drop down list, I'm getting this actual profit. But whenever I will select the loss, I will get all the minus values. So this is the loss value. So this is the way to apply the profit, but this is the minus value. That's why we can identify this is a loss value for the company. Now I will take same result through the sum product. So how we can take same result through the sum product? So here I just copied this model, paste here, and here you need to remove the data, and here I will expand the column width, and here I will expand the column width. Sorry. Here I'm just selecting this. Done. So here I will take same result on the basis of these two conditions, product category and region. I will take sales calculations here through the sum product. Here I have taken the result through the SUMIFS function. Here I will take the result through the sum product function. So you need to apply here sum product, bracket start twice. Then what is your condition? So I don't want to take condition first. I want to take sum range first. So what I have to calculate here? I want to calculate here sales. So I will take complete range of sales. So you have to go there in data sets and take complete range of sales from F column. Freeze it, bracket close, star, bracket start. Now I have to take condition. So in sum product, I have taken the sum range first, then I have to bracket close, then for separation purpose, I'm taking here star, and then you have to take complete range of condition. So my condition is region first. So I'm taking here first condition as a region equal to, then you have to go there and take criteria as a region. Okay. Then freeze here column, not row, because row is moving in downside, but column F is freezed. So that's why I have freezed here column, bracket close, star, bracket start. My second condition is product category. This is the product category. For separation, I have applied the star, then I have to take condition. So you have to take here criteria range first, then you have to take criteria. So you have to go to product category as a criteria range equal to, go there and take criteria as a these product categories. So you have to freeze here row F for 2 times to freeze your row. Bracket close twice and enter. Now you can match your result. Drag in right side and down side. So this is the way to pick the output. Okay. So if you are not well in definition, if you are not well in freezing part, you have to go through my previous video for referencing. Then you can easily understand the freezing part. Without freezing part, you cannot apply these types of advanced function. So now I'm moving on next example. What I have to do, I need to calculate the profit and loss through the drop down list. So here I will calculate the profit and loss through the drop down list. On the basis of drop down list, I will take output. So here I have copied the same data, and here I will apply the function. But here I have taken the result through the SUMIFS function on both the place. Here I will apply the sum product on both the place. For loss and profit, I will apply the sum product function twice. So let's see, first I need to apply if, then you have to take reference of this, freeze it completely because this is a not movement. Okay, equal to, you need to apply here condition for profit. So you need to match profit value from drop down list. In this drop down list, if I select the profit, then this function will work. Which function? Whatever function I will apply for true. So I need to apply here sum product, bracket start twice. My condition is region, so you have to go there and take complete range of region from n column, freeze it equal to. Then you have to go there and take criteria. So you have to take criteria as a region. Then here you need to freeze column, bracket close, star, bracket start. Second condition. Your second condition is product category. So you have to go there and take complete range of product category from P column. So this is the product category. Take reference of this, freeze it. Never try to take header here. Do not try to take header. Okay, equal to. Next, move on this and take header from this place. This is the criteria. So that's why I'm taking here header also. Freeze here row. Why I'm freezing here row? My column is moving. GHI column. My column is moving, but row 19 is freeze. So that's why I'm freezing here row 19. Bracket close. Then star, bracket start. Now you have to decide what you have to calculate. I want to calculate here profit. So you have to go there and take complete range of profit. So you have to take profit range from this one. Freeze it, bracket close twice, enter. Now you will get false. So why I'm getting here false? Any idea? Because here I have applied the condition for profit. If I'm selecting profit into this drop down list, then this function will work. Otherwise, this function will not work. I will get here false default. So I don't want to take here false. So I will remove last bracket comma 0. Instead of false, I want to take 0. That's why I have applied here 0. Okay, enter. Now drag in right side and down side, Control R, Control D. You are getting value 0 for loss. Okay, so I don't want to take 0. I want to take here loss. If my selection is profit into this drop down list, then this function will work. Otherwise, I will get 0. But I don't want to take here 0. I want to calculate the loss value. So you need to apply here. In false case, I will apply condition for loss. So for loss, you have three conditions. Your first condition will be region, second condition will be product category, and third condition will be profit value less than 0. Less than 0 means you are getting loss in your business. So here I'm just removing it and applying sum product to calculate the loss with three conditions. Sum product, bracket start twice, then you have to go there and take complete range of first condition. So here I'm taking first criteria range, freezed it, equal to, you have to go there and take criteria as a Nunavut region. Freezed here, column, bracket close, star, bracket start. Then second condition is product category. So you have to go there and take complete range of product category from P column. So here I'm taking complete reference of P column. No need to take header. I have already told you. No need to take header. Bracket to, sorry, take complete range of P column, freeze it. Then you have to take equal to, go there and take reference of product category from this column. And here you need to freeze row, bracket close, star, bracket start. Now your third condition is profit value less than 0. So this is the condition. What is the condition? Profit value less than 0. So you have to take complete range of profit and freeze it, less than 0. Less than 0 is loss value. Bracket close, star, bracket start. Now you have to take some range as a profit again. Again, you have to take profit column range. To calculate this profit, just less than 0, which will be loss. Here I'm taking reference of profit column. It means we will not calculate the profit. We will calculate the loss. Because of this less than 0, we will calculate the loss. Okay. Enter, enter. Now you can see here I'm getting loss value. So see here this result and this results are matching. Okay. If I'm taking here profit, so I will get profit value. This is the profit value. Same as if I select here profit, then I will get same value. So this is the advanced use of sum product and sum if. Through the if function, we have applied the advanced part of the sum if and sum product. Okay. So this is a useful function in report designing. If you are very well in report designing, then definitely you can transform your business logic and you can design the report through these functions. If you are getting any types of scenario based on certain condition. Thank you so much for this video.